The all-new Toyota Tundra is here, and it's got a number of cool new off-road features that you couldn't get in prior generations of the Tundra that make it a lot more capable. Most notable among those is probably the electronic locking rear differential, which comes on models equipped with the TRD Pro trim or the TRD Off-Road package. In today's video, I'm going to talk about why a rear locker is important, how to use it on the Tundra, and then give you a demonstration of it in action. Innately, vehicles have open differentials, and the reason for that is that you want your outside wheel and tire to be able to spin faster than your inside wheel and tire because they're covering more distance. So essentially, they're kind of acting independently, and what that ultimately does is that it results in the vehicle sending the majority of power to whatever wheel and tire is spinning faster. That's a good thing for normal driving situations, but when it comes to off-road driving, it can be exactly what you don't want. The reason for that is that occasionally a wheel and tire will come off the ground or lose traction entirely. In those situations, the open differential is going to be sending all the power to the wheel and tire that's spinning rather than to the one that has traction. So what a locker does is it locks the differential and sends 50% of power to each side of the axle so that you're always getting traction at both sides. Very important for certain off-road situations. To engage the locker, we've got to be in 4 low. To get to 4 low, first we've got to go into 4 high. So make sure the vehicle is in drive. Push down on this little button here and slide it to the 4H position. On the instrument cluster, you'll see the green 4H lettering. It will flash when it's engaging. Once it's engaged, it will go solid. Once that's solid, now we're going to shift into neutral. You got to be in neutral to shift into the 4 low position. Push down again, slide it to 4L. Look at the instrument cluster, you'll see it's flashing again while it's engaging, and once that 4L goes solid, 4 low is engaged. Last step is to just push on the locker button right here. You'll see the little red indicator down there on the instrument cluster. That will flash when it's engaging. Once that goes solid, the locker is engaged and you're good to go. And now it's time for a demonstration. This is a perfect hill to test it out on because we've got some good moguls going on. It's a really loose, soft surface, and it's also a steep incline. We'll do 2 runs, both in 4-wheel drive. The first run without the locker engaged, and the second run with it engaged. As you can see, the electronic locking rear differential on the all-new Tundra is a really handy feature that's going to give it a lot more off-road capability in certain situations than the outgoing model. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and for more videos of the all-new Tundra, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.